Hi, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics, and today I'm going to clean the toilet. So I start off with two different types of cloth, a cleaning cloth and also a polishing cloth, and that's great for glass and polishing stainless steel. I also had a multi-purpose spray and a toilet bowl cleaner. Now I start off by giving everything a very thorough vacuum clean. You want to take the time to move everything out of the way and vacuum up as much hair and dust as possible. That's going to make cleaning quicker and easier. I then put those gloves on. I like to wear cotton inserts in my gloves, and you can see my gloves were a little bit sun stained. I start with actually getting some toilet paper and giving everything a good wipe over to get rid of as much dust and grime and hair from everything as quickly as possible. That way I can just flush all that away. I then get out my toilet bowl cleaner and give the product a little bit of time to sit and do its thing. So I do give everything a very thorough scrub here today. Some days I only give things a very quick clean, but today I'm really going to get in and give it a very thorough clean. I even actually got out my other toilet scrubber, and that's got that flatter edge and allowed me to get into a few spots that the other brush can't reach. So that was quite handy. I don't always use that, only when I'm doing a really thorough clean. At the end of the job, I actually did clean both of those toilet brushes out. But if you weren't actually just going to give everything a quick clean, you can just pop that toilet brush underneath the toilet seat like that and let it drip dry before putting it away. Now it's time to spray a bit of that multi-purpose spray around, and with my damp cloth I just wet that and then give it a good squeeze out, and then I fold the cloth into quarters because that way I can just keep refolding my cloth as my cloth gets dirtier, and it makes the job a lot quicker because it reduces all that rinsing time. Now you can see I started from the least dirty places, wiping over those toilet sprays and the door handle and in behind the door before moving on to the dirtier toilet. I just actually did rinse out my cloth multiple times throughout this job, but I didn't videotape that part. But you can often see me squeezing out the cloth into the toilet throughout this little video. Now you can see I do go over everything. As I said, I really want to get in all around those joins and give everything a really thorough wipe over. And I also actually take the time to get in behind the toilet and around the toilet bowl, because some days I just give things a quick mop and I don't really get in really thoroughly. And this way I know it has all had a thorough clean. So I just rinsed out that cloth again, squeezed it out again, and going over to remove all that cleaning chemicals as well. The last thing you want to be doing is sitting in cleaning product. You want to rinse the cloth out, rinse away the grime, but rinse away the chemicals too, and remove them from your toilet. Now, I was going to just finish off by cleaning that wall, because whenever we're walking out of that toilet or into the toilet, our clothing often brushes up against the wall because there's not a lot of room in there. And of course it's a toilet, and I've got 6 males that live in this house, despite the fact that we've got 3 toilets. But there's also going to be splatter and stuff like that occurs in a toilet. So you do want to take the time to actually wash those walls and give them a good wipe over. I also use the time to get into those sort of skirting board areas around the tiles and give it a very thorough clean. So finally, I just give everything that one final little wipe over, and I decided that because I still had the vacuum cleaner, I would actually give it a final vacuum as well. I wiped over the bin and I cleaned out the toilet bowl scrubber and put everything back. Job well done.